It's Candy K all day, bringing you a luggage reset, showing you some new luggage that I acquired and can't wait to show you. This handy dandy wheeled piece of luggage comes to me from American Tourister, and it's a great buy. Picked it up at Walmart. When I get back from travel, I immediately like to empty my bags and just get everything cleaned out. And because, inevitably my dirty clothes have been in here with clean clothes, I typically just wash everything because I just like to wash everything so that it's fresh and ready to go before it goes back. And so I also like to Lysol my suitcase, kill a few germs, and I recently picked up this, and I got it at Walmart. Got it from Walmart because I quickly needed another bag because I had bought several items and I just had a lot of stuff. It was a work trip and it just ended up being a lot of stuff. So I wanted a small bag. Look at how large that expands to though. And yeah, this is a game changer for me. I am so glad. I mean, normally I would go to a luggage store looking for something, but I said, you know what, I gotta get something fast. And I know that Walmart sold luggage, this thing, and y'all, I'm gonna collapse it. But I did not notice when I purchased it that the brand name is American Tourister, which is a name brand luggage. And so, yeah. I wanna say this was like 49 bucks. I was worried that it would not last through the trip, but it came out fabulously. And I will be adding this to my regular luggage protocol, especially like when I go on a cruise or go out of the country, because when you go, you don't have much stuff, but when you come back, you usually buy a lot of tourism type things. So what I did do when I got to check in at the airport, I did take this off and put it just at the top. And I was worried that it would not withstand the baggage crew dealing with it, but it worked fabulously. And look at how well it rolls. It rolls better than this big boy, which I don't often use, but on this last trip I did. This is my big boy Samsonite. It rolls better than the Samsonite. And I know that I bought this as part of a 2-piece luggage set, and I know I paid easily $150 for it from the Samsonite store. Yeah. So this rolls, look at how easy it rolls. Yeah. So this, I'm very pleased with this. These near the luggage. And these are just the little sachets, and I love the little sachets. I use them in my closets, in my house, but I've never bought them at Walmart. So right away, I noticed they don't have near the fragrance that my normal sachets do. And those are the ones that used to be available at Bed Bath & Beyond, but now you can just order them directly from the company, which I do. And I'm sorry, I can't remember the name of them, the brand of them right now. But these don't smell as nearly as highly fragranced as those, but I bought these, so I said, you know what? I'm gonna throw this in my luggage just to keep my luggage fresh. And along with Lysol and kill some germs. So let me close this up. thing just zips. You just keep zipping it up and you can continue to expand it. I just could not believe it. I could not believe it. I saw Nicole Butler. She has a YouTube channel, and if I think about it, she had moved, a black woman had moved to Mexico, and I'm so proud of her journey and her transparency, and all went well for a little while until it didn't go well. And so she's temporarily back in the States. But look, okay, so and here you go, folks. Here are those fresh scent sachets that they used to sell at Bed Bath & Beyond. You can get them directly from the manufacturer, and the name of the company is Fresh Scents. They have free shipping on orders over $35. At that size if you need to. And then this is a hard plastic, and y'all, it's the plastic that they now do luggage in. So, yeah, I don't know why I just did not think this thing was gonna hold up, but baby, this thing, I was so pleased with this. So I don't know where Nicole got hers from, but that's who I saw this with. And I said, I'm gonna go see what Walmart has. And I had to go see what Walmart has because I didn't have time to go to the mall. I didn't have time to go to the outlet stores looking for luggage. I needed to get my things wrapped up, get my affairs wrapped up, and get back. So look, you just keep zipping. So literally go that small or as large as I had it previously. And it comes by American Tourister. They had it in several colors. I just chose the black because that bright blue. But you know, that bright blue helps you to know that that's your luggage versus someone else's. So, yeah. I'm totally just geeked with that. That might be what I travel in now. I might try it on my next trip. Just travel in this and not hard side luggage. We'll see. Skinny cat all day. Y'all, thanks for rocking with me. I'm on this YouTube journey. I have been a YouTube content creator for about a year. For exactly 1 year. In January, I started my YouTube journey in January 2024, and I'm enjoying it. I like creating content. And it's just me. It's just me taking the time and being intentional to record what I'm doing as I do life as a solo single woman. And I would appreciate your thumbs up and would really appreciate you dropping down in the comments, letting me know that you watched this video and consider subscribing to your girl. Y'all be good to each other. Goodbye for now.